use poplar. This is wet, fresh wood. It's easy to cut with knives. Traditional wooden shoes were made by hand. They used this large knife for the outside and so-called spoon screws to hollow out the inside. It's a real tough job. Took about 2 hours by hand. By machines, just 5. Now this machine will make the outside shape. It's the same system as duplicating keys. This part follows the model and the knives cut out the exact same shape. Rough outside.
Wow.
And for the inside, we're going to use the same kind of system. Again, we're going to make a copy. Then the last 2 parts, nose and heel, still held by hand. Rough shape. But it's not finished. When I started, I told you it's wet. Half the way, still water, they dry. Once dried, they're polished, and the final result then, a shoe for a child 4 years old. And they look pretty big, they are pretty big, it's normal. Right? But that's also because we wear them big, 1 finger space, socks, that's where they go. Now reasons why we still wear them, because they're very strong, they offer good protection, it's a great safety shoe, but also waterproof. Alright, that's how it's done. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a look around.